Hello Xiaomi fans, and welcome to my channel. At last, the long-awaited moment has arrived. Soon, Xiaomi enthusiasts will finally be able to get their hands on these amazing smartphones, the Xiaomi 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max come with two displays and high-capacity batteries. The smartphones resemble Apple devices not only in their names, but also in screen sizes and overall design. In terms of specifications, the models are almost identical, with the main differences being the display diagonal and the battery size. The key feature of these devices is the small secondary display integrated into the main camera module. It is especially convenient for taking selfies with the rear camera. This additional screen can also show notifications, animated wallpapers, virtual pets, notes, tickets, QR codes, and more. A gaming mode is also supported. When connected to the official accessory case, the smartphone transforms into a compact retro console with physical control buttons. Xiaomi 17 Pro is equipped with a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2656 by 1220 pixels, refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, touch sampling rate of 300 Hz, PWM dimming of 1160 Hz, and peak brightness of 3500 nits. The bezels are only 1.18 millimeters, excluding the metal frame. The display is protected by Xiaomi's Dragon Crystal glass. The same type of main display is used in the base Xiaomi 17 model. The secondary screen on the Pro measures 2.7 inches, with a resolution of 904 by 572 pixels, the same adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, touch response of 300 Hz, and peak brightness of 3500 nits. Both displays support HDR10+, HDR Vivid, and Dolby Vision. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max increases the main display size to 6.9 inches, with a resolution of 2608 by 1200 pixels. Its secondary display measures 2.9 inches, with a resolution of 976 by 596 pixels. All other screen specs remain identical to the Pro version. Just like the base model, both Pro versions are powered by Qualcomm's 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, paired with Adreno 840 graphics and an advanced circular cooling system. They offer up to 16 GB of LPDDR R5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The camera setup is almost identical to the base model. A triple Leica Summilux array with 50 megapixel sensors. The main camera features a Light Fusion 950L sensor with aperture f1.67, equivalent focal length of 23 millimeters, and optical stabilization. The ultra-wide lens has aperture f2.4, a 102-degree field of view, 17 millimeter equivalent focal length, autofocus, and electronic stabilization. The periscope module uses a Samsung JN5 sensor with half-inch size and optical stabilization. The 17 Pro uses a W-shaped periscope lens with a close focus distance of 20 centimeters and f3.0 aperture, while the Pro Max employs an L-shaped design with macro focus at 30 centimeters and a brighter f2.6 aperture. The front camera is also 50 megapixels with f2.2 aperture, 90-degree field of view, autofocus, and supports 4K video at 30 or 60 frames per second. The 17 Pro has a 6,300 mAh battery, while the 17 Pro Max increases this to 7,500 mAh. Both phones support 100-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 22.5-watt reverse charging. Other features include support for 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR Blaster, NFC, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port, dual nano SIM cards, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Both models also support ultra-wideband connectivity and are rated IP69 for dust and water resistance. Dimensions and weight. The 17 Pro measures 151.1 by 71.8 by 8.0 millimeters and weighs 192 grams, while the Pro Max measures 162.9 by 77.6 by 8.0 millimeters and weighs 219 grams. Both run Android 16 with HyperOS 3. Prices: Xiaomi 17 Pro starts at around $705 for 12GB plus 256GB, rising to $845 for the top 16GB plus 1TB model. The 17 Pro Max starts at around $845 for 12 plus 512GB, with the top model at $985 for 16GB plus 1TB. The global versions of the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to launch within the first quarter of 2026.
And that wraps up our deep dive into the brand new Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. With dual displays, Leica-powered cameras, and massive batteries, these devices are shaping the future of mobile innovation. But here's the big question. Which flagship do you think truly leads the game? The iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Samsung S25 Ultra, or Xiaomi's bold 17 Pro Max? Share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to see where the community stands. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tech reviews. And stay tuned, because the global launch is just around the corner.